This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the partwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 103 of building the Fast and Furious Dodge Charger. Let's get onto it. We're going to be doing finishing off the back end, shall we say, today. So let's have a look. First of all, we're going to look at Iceland. Ice and Fire. Yeah, the Fate of the Furious. They went around the world. They went to Iceland. Yeah, quite interesting chase across the snow with a submarine. Yeah, that was very strange. I believe that may actually be where my intro picture is, my thumbnail picture is mainly taken from, although I've cleverly been substituted. So the Dodge Sierra, yeah, that's an old car, isn't it? That's yeah, 55, 59. Station wagon. It's all right. It's functional. It's huge. But yeah, I drive one of them as a, not so much a, day-to-day sort of car, but if I was taking family on holiday or something, that would be quite suitable. I'd be happy with that. Yeah. Right. The reverse lights is what we're going to be putting on today. So we're going to be fitting those into the bracket and then fitting the bracket to the back of the chassis. And that will be that. That will be the chassis pretty much done as far as I can tell. I think there's other bits to be done, but we're going to be attaching that to the frame very, very soon. After increasing the downforce, spoilers. not about the films, obviously, but downforce things, spoilers and stuff, isn't it? Rear diffuser. Yeah, it's very deep. It's like underneath what it breaks up the airflow and it causes a thing to happen. But all interesting stuff, high tech stuff and things. Smoke. You want to cause as little disruption to the airflow as possible. All very nice. I like it. I like the technology behind these things. So that's that. Let me get the parts ready and then we'll get the building done. Okay, so today's parts, we have another metal panel, which is curved. Is that deliberately curved or has that got squished a bit in transport? We'll find out when we come to attach it, which we'll be doing after a little while. First of all, we're going to install it. We're going to put these brackets onto there. Now, they aren't labelled, but they do have a direction. Holes in there are higher on one side than the other. Get them the right way round. Over those pins, nice and easy there. And then the reversing lights drop into those. I'm going to do them both at the same time because it's easier. And then we have this one. What we got on the right side? This is the right side, all that because it's reversed because of it being backwards. So that is going to go over there like that. This is all slightly angled. For us to go on that way round, it won't work. Have I got this the right way round? I think I have because I got this that way up. And it's definitely got to fit from this side. So yeah, that. Shiny. I'll be going on there. Get the wrong way round again now. Like that, and that will be somewhat reflective inside there. I actually, saying that, I'm going to do them one at a time because the other one fell out. So we need some CM screws for this. I need 2 for this and 2 for the other side. Let me put this one on first. And then I'll do the other one off camera before I change camera angles and bring back in the entire body piece to attach this into it. So basically, you see me do this one, the other one's going to be exactly the same, but on the other side. So there we have it. I shall get this tightened up. Let me just tighten that one up now so we can see what it's actually going to look like from the other side. Make sure everything is as it should be. Yeah, that's there as a reflective thing and stuff in there. Quite happy with that. So that is that. I shall get the other one done and then show you attaching it to the main. Yep, so that's both of those attached in there as they should be. This then goes that way round behind the number plate in there, and it's just 2 8M screws on either end. Hold that in place. And to answer the question, yes, it should be slightly curved. So that's like that. 8M screws at the ready. And going in right about there. See the screw hole. There's one. There we go. That's that one in a little bit. Let's get the other one in, make sure everything lines up. And then we will be pretty much there. It'll be there somewhere. I can't quite see it. A little bit further out. There we go. So that is that. Once I get those tightened up, that will be that installed where it should be. I shall flip it around and show you what it looks like from the other side. Actually, I can't show you properly there the other end, but there we go. That's it. Reversing lights, number plate there as well. All good to go. So let me get that tightened up and that will be another episode done. So thank you very much for watching. Stick around for more. I shall see you soon. Bye bye for now.